evaluators who have been here for the prestigious Scotch Awards. And I would like to say my heartfelt greetings and namaskars to everyone. And as you know well, youngest state in entire entire nation of India. So of course, Telangana may be the youngest state, but Telangana is having a great historical past since many centuries and many hundreds of thousands of years too. So that is the reason the people of Telangana has united to get the special special state status to Telangana. The people's long wish of having a separate state has been taken place, and that has a dream has come into reality in the through the means of Gandhian and peaceful democratic manner, and the Telangana state has.
Your shared screen is not.
The thing is that, sir, here we from the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana. So what we thought of ourselves is that after the formation of Telangana state, so we could able to find different sorts of artists across Telangana state. So we do have different sorts of artists, starting from the very tribal and Hyderabadi Tehzeeb artists.
There's some problem with the network, it seems. Hare Krishna ji, आपका screen sharing नहीं दिख रहा है.
Screen of the sir. So the thing is that, sir, we have already identified different sorts of artists across the state of Telangana. So since the starting from the folk artist to the very modern cartoonist and whatnot. So here what we thought of ourselves is that it is better to build a wonderful database that is related to every artist. To develop a tea culture app to make the artists, enable the artists to get the identity.
Is it a problem with my connection, or Sharma ji, can you see the screen?
No, sir, I am also not able to see the screen.
Hare Krishna ji, आपका screen, हाँ, आपकी screen नहीं दिख रही है.
So is it okay, sir?
No, not yet.
No.
Hello?
Not yet. Can't see your screen.
Internet problem, sir. Video only, and then the half అయిపోతుంది actually. అందుకని suggest. Okay, please.
It's okay now.
Yes, now it has come.
Okay, now proceed on, sir.
So the thing is, yes, sir. Sorry for the interruption, sir. The thing is that, sir, culture, because Telangana is very rich in culture, heritage, and many other things. That is the reason we from the Department of Language and Culture have developed this tea culture app, which is very user friendly. First thing. Second thing is that to enable each and every literate, illiterate, and highly educated artist to enroll.
Now we can't hear you. The screen is also frozen on the first page.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Sir, sorry for the inconvenience due to internet interruption. Certain things are being happening. So, sir, my respected sirs, the thing is that, sir, it is the tech culture app which which used the digital media technology to build the bridge between culture and computers. So nowadays, all the artists who are from folklore background also are using this software.
There is some problem with the network connection. Your screen is also not visible. I think you can stop your video. Only you can use only audio and then do the screen presentation.
So between the artist and the department, this particular app will build a bridge between the department and the artist. And it is
Your screen is not
our main
visible.
intention
Screen
is
is not
to
visible.
give the identity cards.
You can stop your video
Should be fine.
and only speak about the screen.
Okay, so I'll stop the video and that's a minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir, our Tea Culture app is developed with an intention to make the artist friendly, one thing. Second thing, to establish a wonderful platform and a digital database of every artist who are residing in Telangana region. So here, many artists are there and many artists are there in Telangana since many centuries, because Telangana is a land treasure trove of different art forms and different cultures. So here, what we thought of ourselves is that it is better this Tea Culture app will become a connecting platform as a web and mobile applications, one thing. And the second thing is that we would like to wipe out the middleman mechanism and use the digital platform and the internet technology. So by that, the artists and the government department will have a direct interaction with each other. So one thing. Second thing is that, so here we would like to make a database of all sorts of artists, because art and culture department and artists and the cultural persons are very inorganized and unorganized categories. So it is the first of its kind initiative in the entire nation that artist's identity card can be issued through this app. One thing. Second thing is that, sir, it is very unique that the entire database related to the details of the artist, the study, the address, and the art form related to the particular artist can be traced out and can be collected in one go by this system of Tea Culture app. And this is the smart identification QR code. We have already followed all the internet protocols and many advanced versions of different digital technologies now. So that is the reason we have used in QR code system also. We have incorporated that QR code system also in giving the ID cards, the identity cards to all the artists whoever use this through the Tea Culture app. And we have published n number of books related to the Telangana culture, heritage, and art forms and artists and many other things. So this Tea Culture app can enable any person, irrespective, can go through the ebooks, because we have already incorporated certain ebooks. So by that, whenever the person is interested to know about the different dimensions of and different magnanimity of the cultural aspects of Telangana, they can go through those books also. And one more thing is that, sir, the list of events, because Department of Language and Culture is very much focused on organizing different fairs, festivals, functions, and celebrations from our own Telangana festivals like Batukama and Bonalu, the very traditional festivals, to the times of international dance festival, international music festival, and inter-state cultural festivals, and many mimicry, magic, and mime, and literary festivals. These are all the things that is being happening. And we have already had a credit of organizing World Telugu Conference at a big scale by inviting all the Telugu people across the globe from 72 countries. So that is So the Department of Culture is very much emphasized and very much interested to organize the different sorts of events. So this culture app can enable any of the person who downloads that particular culture app, the developments, the activities, the events, the functions, the celebrations that are being organized by the department from time to time immediately. And at the same time, this list of events will be visible to everyone given, and a direct announcement from the Department of Language and Culture, whatever the benefits that are being extended to the artists can be communicated through this app. And at the same time, here we have linked this particular system through SMS, email, and some other systems also, some other technological platforms also. That is the reason we can immediately access to the artists and to the common man also. So the remaining the technical aspects related to this particular app, our technical team expert is there. Mr. Srikanth will explain all these things. Just Mr. Srikanth, please.
Thank you, Harikrishna Garu, respected jury. Just to recap it, so the T-Culture app is all about bringing the seamless interaction between the department and all the artists in Telangana state for all different categories. So now the application, that is T-Culture, is available as in the form of a mobile app and also on the web link as a web informative portal. So as an artist, if I'm an artist, I can really download the app or like go to the website. I register myself over there. I submit the application, and once it is actually done, it is actually subject for approval by the department. So department reviews it, like if everything is looking great, absolutely great, department approves, and then automatically an identity card with a unique identity number and a unique QR code will be generated and will be immediately published to the user via the mobile app. Now, so we have artists right from Tier 3 and even the rural folks. And for them, how exactly, like they may not be really comfortable with the mobile app. So for that, to address those purposes, we also collaborated with the MeSeva centers in Telangana, which are available across the state. Artists can really go to the MeSeva center, they submit their details to the MeSeva operator, and MeSeva operator will fill the form on behalf. So, and again, once it is done, the procedure really remains the same. And once it is approved, a card will be available at the MeSeva center, and the same artist can really go and then collect the ID card right from the MeSeva center. So we ensured we are categorizing to the urban Tier 1, Tier 2, and even the rural applicants also. Obviously, so when you have a mobile app, the department has a connected administrative panel, and the entire system is actually built using the state infrastructure offered by the Telangana state. The typical advantages: on-the-go solution for all the artists. Earlier, they had to really carry that physical ID card. Now, the ID card will be available within the mobile app. So when for all the scheduled events right from the department, they can simply walk in over there, display it, and then really get in. So this actually really brings far more easier communications by the department as well also for the artists too. And now the application is intended to cater for close to 4.5 lakhs of artists in Telangana. And obviously, the core objective is also for the department to really identify and define the welfare schemes to the artist by looking at the database of the applicants. And so by building this particular application and the system in place, I think as Harikrishna had already said it, there is no middleman involvement at any moment. We've addressed it via mobile app. We also address it via the MeSeva centers across the state. So absolutely, there is no room for middlemen to really get in and then for any other proceedings. Just to do a recap, now the artists, they can really go via T-Culture mobile app, they can really come to the T-Culture web portal, and also they can really do the MeSeva centers. And also in addition, the department is actually doing quite a lot of offline campaigns. to ensure people really come on board and then experience the application and continue using the application, which is not really limited to the ID cards alone. Here is a sample ID card with a QR code, a unique QR code, I mean it. Snapshots of the application where we also have the ebooks in place, events happening right from the department. So this is a moment where Minister actually launched the application back in June. Thank you so much. I hope it is interesting. So we welcome any queries. We'll be glad to answer.
Jury questions.
Yes, if there are any queries, we would like to take it.
Yeah. This is, by this app, you have registered the artists and provided them with a identity card.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. And
Yes, sir.
beyond this, are you planning to use this app for anything more than this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do have an idea. The government and the Department of Language and Culture is having an idea to extend whatever the government developmental policies and welfare schemes that are going to extend in the days to come. So for the when the Telangana state has been formulated, then we do have an idea to extend the pension facilities, old age artist pension facilities to the artists who are in an indigent condition. So one thing. Second thing is that, sir, we do have an idea to extend the RTC, Road Transport Corporation bus pass facility too. Second thing. So third thing is that, sir, so whenever we do have an idea to promote our Telangana culture through the different sorts of art forms or literary events or anything, to send to other states or other countries, this data will be useful for us because this data, one of the important aspect is that whether they are having the passport or not. Also, we are asking in that particular complete application. So whenever we are having the data about them, so we can select the persons who are excelled themselves in that with the passport, who are having that passport. So basing on that, we can select the people and send them to different states and different countries too for promotion of the art and culture of Telangana, because artists are the cultural ambassadors, we feel. So one that is also there in our idea in the days to come, sir. And especially this ID card will give a great reputation and great confidence and self-respect among the artists first, because it is actually given art identity card from the government, from the Department of Language and Culture. So that will boost up the self-respect of the artist first, immediately. That is the immediate outcome of this particular culture app. And the second thing is that the welfare policies, the welfare schemes that are being in formulation stage at this very moment, that can be definitely extended to the artists. So that will be very much easy for implementing the things. And even festivals, the cultural celebrations, the dance, music festivals, dance festivals, and theater festivals, and mime festivals, mimicry festivals, and any other sort of Hyderabadi Tehzeeb, because Hyderabad is one of the important place where you can find the Qawwali culture is there, and ghazals are the ghazal Tehzeeb is there in Hyderabad, and this Sufi Sangeet. So if we could able to get the data, so basing on that, we can organize a special festivals exclusively dedicated to promote that particular art forms.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you, sir.
Any other queries, please?
I would like to know on what basis, on what parameters do you recognize these artists? It is a very subjective matter because culture, art, and this music, they are very subjective in nature. So what criteria do you adopt in recognizing these artists?
Yes, sir. Sharma ji, an interesting question that you have asked, sir. So I appreciate. And we have already made certain parameters, sir. So whenever the artists may be artists, but the thing is that here we are asking any of the certificates that has been extended or given by any of the government or any of the organization, this declaring him whether he has participated in national or state level events or not. So whether that particular artist has performed anywhere earlier or not, or whether particular artist has already given any award, state level award or district level award or national level award like Padma Shri also. So we have already asking, that particular one important column is there, that they have to, the artists have to upload that particular thing by scanning them. So basing on those data, I mean information and the criteria, so we can hear from the Department of Language Culture, we can review them and we can give the, I mean, approval. So by that, then only they will be given, they will be get the ID card through the email or another digital platform, sir. So here, that mode we have already find out, and that parameters we have already fixed, sir.
But I think that previous award and recognition and certificates are not necessarily that an artist is an artist. It's
Of course, yes, sir. Of course, yes, sir. I too do admit.
quite
But the
possible
thing is that,
he may not, quite possible he may not have get any certificate from any recognition from anybody, but still he has or she has some
yes, sir.
uh,
Yes, sir. Yes,
artistic
sir. In this
picture.
regard, yes, sir, Sharma ji. So what we have thought of the traditional artists are there, sir, because the traditional artists, the lineage is there since many centuries. Take the example of Oggu Katha artist or Chindri Yakshagan artist or Bainla Katha artist. These are all the folk traditions of Telangana. So these folk artists are performing their own art form since many centuries, from one generation to the other generation. So we do have the knowledge about which family related, which gharana is related to that particular folk tradition. So whatever the traditional artists are there, we are giving without any certificate, without any pre certificate or any other things, sir. So in case of
Yes.
the people who learned the things, he may not be having any lineage from his ancestors, but he is having that interest to learn classical music, Carnatic music, or Hindustani music, or Kathak, or Kuchipudi, Perini, whichever, whatever. So if that particular person asking will be asked to submit any of the certificate or any of the press clipping, even when he perform in one or the other platforms and other stages at different parts of India or Telangana or anywhere. So some sort of press coverage will be there. So if press coverage, press clippings also will be considered, sir. So we have already made first level, second level, and third level categorization, sir. So basing
This
on
is
that
a policy
categorization,
issue.
we can consider that particular candidate as artist.
This is a policy issue which would have been there even before the app was put into
Yes,
place.
sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
The
I don't
previous
think it has got anything to do with the app. Am I correct?
no,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. This earlier that was there, sir. Earlier that was there, but not this authenticated, sir. So it is a randomly doing things. Now it has become very authenticated, authoritative, and very accurate one, sir. So earlier, for the last 6 years, we have been extending our helping hand, assistance, encouragement, and promotion for every artist. But the thing is that here we do have a complete, accurate model, authenticated, authoritative model. So which is making us errorless. So moreover, the database, mainly the database is very much protective and preservative. Earlier, that much of database we don't have. So now we could able to preserve the database, whichever we collect or whichever we receive from the artist, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Scotch, and thank you very much, the jury members, and thank you very much, the peer evaluators. Thank you very much.